Watch me install this braided wig from Amazon. Yeah, so firstly, you have to straighten out the hair. You have to get the hair flat so the wig can be flat. We don't do bulky wigs around here. So we're gonna be slicking back the edges. Slick it straight back, no ear at the front. We can't see the ear. And we're gonna be doing that ball cap method. That ball cap method make the wigs look like scalp, girl, scalp. If you're doing this on yourself or you're doing this on somebody and you play a hairdresser, don't blind the people them. Take it out of them eye. Don't do like me. Then you know you're gonna have to cut out the excess cap and clean up the edges. Clean off the excess debris. You don't want to see it when your hair done and your wig is installed. Girl, find a foundation that fits you. Find a foundation and put it on the wig. Borrow one friend one, put it on. Then you're gonna apply the glue, spread it out thinly. Thinner than your patience. Yeah. And then you go repeat that 2 to 4 times depending on how long you want to have on the wig. If you want to go in the pool and all of these things, you have to go put on 10, girl. Enough. Put in the wig. Put the wig into the glue. Now make sure that the wig fits. Pull it tight at the sides. Pull it tight. If it's a little bit snug, you're gonna have to clip the sides a little. And then you're gonna have to rub that thing in the glue. Use your comb, use your fingers, and press it into the glue. Yeah? And it's melting time. Say you have to melt the wig. If you want to have it on for 30 hours and 30 days, up to you. 30 minutes, I just do 15 minutes the most. Check if the wig stick on, and then you go into cutting off the excess lace. Girl, the closer you get is the more natural it looks. If you want the excess lace to melt it a little bit more, that's up to you. Find those spots that weren't in glue and apply more glue. Stick it down. Make sure your lace laid. And of course, you have to melt that again. And next 15 minutes and next 30 days, up to you. Late. And then you have to go to the baby hairs. Do the baby hairs to your preference. Lovely doll laid her edges. And this is the final look. Wig install. That's all you have to do. Boom bang. Wig install. Braided wig from Amazon.